好，來繼續來看美國臨時的關稅10%到底要到期咯。川普政府宣布講，第三波的關稅政策將對60個經濟體徵收到10%到12.5%的關稅，啊，講台灣的稅率將會是10%。
卡球世界盃比賽，美國總統川普要發起關稅世界盃，而頭一波關稅計劃後，最高法院動來了後，現行第二波10%的臨時關稅徵收期限要到啊，無代表各地的第三波關稅計劃打算24開始。
Separately, back in June, U.S. Trade Representative Greer proposed issuing 10 to 12.5% tariffs on 59 nations and the European Union using a legal authority known as Section 301 over the, quote, failure to address the importation of goods made with forced labor.
依照美國貿易代表處發布的公告指出，若是台灣產品適用於最惠國關稅較無10%，那呢第301關稅稅率加起來就是20%；若是10%還是超過10%，那呢第301條的關稅就是0。
Where they're coming from, they're going to want to take their time to make sure that the reason giving, the basis, and the process that they have followed is one that is going to stand up to challenges that could come in the court.
專家講，引用調查非法強迫勞動的301條款家庭關稅是為了無要好，最高法院遐簡單就拍轉來，甚至甲進口商拍官司時會當拖愈久愈好。
So what kinds of trade retaliation measures are you willing to consider now, if any? And is everything on the table if there's no agreement before August 19th?
Everything's on the table if there's no agreement, depending on the outcome of the negotiations, yes.
不過加拿大20接後，川普宣布講，部分的商品要加扣50%的關稅，就強要擋袂調。加拿大的總理卡尼表示講，會做好在8月19進前，美國甲加拿大談判破局的上歹準備。